Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see the irreversible or non-competitive inhibitors. So first point is that in this type of inhibition occurs when an inhibitor binds to the site other than the active site on the free enzyme substrate complex. Second thing, the non-competitive inhibitors interfere with the formation of enzyme substrate complex or its breakdown to yield product. So see, opposite of the reversible, here the inhibitors binds to any other site than the active site. As in the reversible, the inhibitors binds on the active sites of the enzyme. Here inhibitors binds on the other sites than the active sites in the formation of enzyme substrate complex. Next thing is that these inhibitors interfere with the formation of enzyme substrate complex as well as its breakdown to yield the product. So they interfere in both these formation. For example, the heavy metal ions binds with the SH groups and inactivate the enzymes. Here heavy metal ions act as irreversible inhibitors. Third point is that in these inhibitors, they do not have any structural similarity with the substrate and the process is irreversible. So here the inhibitors do not have any structural similarity with the substrate, as in case of the reversible inhibitors having the geometrical and structural resemblance with the substrate, but here inhibitors do not having any resemblance with the substrate, so the process is irreversible. Fourth point, this inhibition usually involve the formation of covalent bonding of inhibitors with the enzyme's active site functional group. So this is a different point is that, so here is the formation of covalent bonding between inhibitors and the enzyme's active site functional group. And the last point, the enzyme is rendered permanently inactive due to the potential inhibitors, so called as irreversible inhibition. So whatever maybe the inhibitors are here, they completely enzymes make inactive, so that's why the process will not reverse, so it is called as a irreversible inhibition process. As in case of the reversible, after increasing the concentration of the substrate, the process becomes reverse, but here which is not possible, so that it is called as a irreversible or non-competitive inhibition. Example, parathion is an active inhibitor of insect acetylcholinesterase. Okay, so it is the inhibitor of insect acetylcholinesterase. Thank you.